7 powerful things you can do with the ChatGPT mobile app. You're probably using ChatGPT on your computer, but did you know the mobile app is even better and completely free? I'm Raul, created in HeyGen, powered by ChatGPT. Not human, which means I don't waste your time. Here are 7 powerful things you can do with the ChatGPT app that most people don't even know exist. Number 1. Download the official app. Don't get scammed. Go to the App Store or Google Play and download the real ChatGPT app. It's free with no ads and no junk. Number 2. Use your camera to read anything. Point your phone at a menu or a sign in another language, and ChatGPT will read, translate, and explain it in seconds. Number 3. Speak in real time across languages. ChatGPT becomes your translator. Say what you want, and it speaks it back instantly, in any language you need. Number 4. Talk with your screen off. Go to Settings, tap Voice Mode, and turn on background conversations. Now you can talk to ChatGPT with your phone locked. Number 5. Write and edit emails with your voice. Paste the message, speak your reply, and ChatGPT will turn it into a clean, professional response. Number 6. Summarize long documents. Upload a PDF or doc file and just say, "Summarize this." ChatGPT will give you instant takeaways, even on a 90-page file. Number 7. Sync everything automatically. Whatever you do on mobile shows up on desktop and vice versa. Your full chat history stays in sync everywhere. The ChatGPT mobile app isn't just convenient, it's powerful and totally free. Leave a comment. Which feature impressed you most? Before you go, remember this. The future doesn't belong to the smartest people. It belongs to the most adaptable. Use the tools or get left behind.